Well, greetings, folks. I just decided to do a hardware swap out of my Stratux receiver. Gets me a few things. I got the Raspberry Pi-3. With the Pi-2, I had a 900 megahertz CPU, but it's a 32-bit processor. So I decided to do the Pi-3, which is a 1.2 gigahertz. And the nice thing about that too is it's 64-bit, plus the memory is much more improved. It could be a little bit faster, and get some better performance. Plus, you get a better operating system. Just decided to do a internals. This is the old Raspberry Pi 2. I already actually just swapped out all the components, and I just wanted to open up for you guys so you can see it. Here I have the Anchor power core. I have my two SDR antennas, which are the 1090 and the 978. Looking inside, I have a internal fan that I have connected, my ASRS with GPS, which is the RY835AI. Also, I have the two SDRs here, and all the connections to the bus here. I forget what they call that, but I'll get back to you on that one. And then I put the swapped out the heat sinks too as well, and everything is just ready to go and be reattached. Just to show you guys real quick, I'm inside my house, so GPS is really not showing up in any case. But if you look here, you can see the ARs is active. There's no GPS satellites right now. If I go into the menu, by the way, I am running the current version, which is 8R2 of the code. And if you're going to use ARs, you have to activate it in the menu settings. So you can actually see GPS ARs, and you can see my ARs is level right now, but if I move it around or reset it, I've actually reset the GPS a few times, moving it around, but it is currently active. But right now there's no GPS signal. So compatible with the 4-flight system. The ARs is not. ARs you have to use Wing X Pro and to get the ARs feature, but it's still still a little bit flaky, and developers are may use it with this current ARs RY835, or they may go with something else, but it's everyone's looking at different options. Thank you for their support, by the way. Any case, I thought I'd just check in and show you everything too at a glance. Again, here's the new Raspberry Pi 3 board, the ARs that I have mounted. This is a 3D printed case. I had a friend 3D print this for me, and I also have the cables that I've ordered off of Amazon for the antennas. So, and those are like $5 each. That's not a big deal. Total build cost was around $140, I'd like to say. So if you have any questions, feel free to email me, and I'll be happy to respond to you, or even shoot me a message on YouTube. Thanks a lot. See ya.